rock music, like light rock music. Like light rock music, more like. Oh no, that's heavy metal. It was a big one.
It's so annoying.
Welcome back to the vlog.
Welcome back to Here in the Mirror. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. If you haven't already, subscribe or like.
Mine's so much bigger than yours.
No, it's not.
Yes. No.
Yeah, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and the bell. Apparently, that's what you click as well.
Yeah, you click the bell so that you can receive all of the notifications from Here in the Mirror. So click the bell. And subscribe.
And subscribe.
And comment down below if you've subscribed so that we can personally say hi.
Okay.
As you can tell, I've experienced.
Okay. No. Oh. Turtle has been loyal to me. My green car has been loyal to me for years now. I've taken the number plates off because we're getting rid of it. My turtle. Hello. Tonight we're chilling with our Come Alive young adults. Good positive space to be around people with positive mindsets. We're hanging out tonight with some really cool young adults. We're gonna have dinner, play some Articulate, might jump into the water, have a swim. We're going to the beach. Really excited. My brothers are up north ways. They are in Noosa with their lot of boys. And so I'm going to pick up Liz from work. And then, oh. Guys, how's it going?
Good.
What are you eating?
Who's calling?
What are you eating, Elizabeth?
Food sticks.
What?
No, don't zoom in like that.
I would never. Anyways, you guys can answer some questions, and you only have 5 seconds to answer them. Red or blue?
Blue.
Blue.
That was the slowest answering.
Shame, yes, I won.
Green or red?
Red.
Green.
Chocolate or lollies?
Lollies.
Chocolate.
Ooh, that's why we're gonna be besties. Sweet or sour?
No, I'm sweet. Idiot.
No, you're too slow. What did I say? Sweet. Chinese food or Indian food?
Neither.
Oh man. Caleb, what is happening, Caleb? We need to get some ethnic blood into him. Burger or chips?
Burger.
Both.
Steak or burger?
Burger.
Steak.
Fish or chicken?
Chicken. You know your chicken. You
No,
know
I really
your
like fish and chips.
Do you eat
Okay,
fish and chips every night? Yeah, you do.
I eat fish and chips and chicken and chips every day.
Mars bar or Milky Way?
Mars bar.
I don't know. Don't eat any of them.
Snickers or Twix?
Twix.
Twix.
Snickers or Twix? Yeah, I agree. Maltesers or a favorites box?
Maltesers.
100%. Croissant or baguette?
Croissant.
Croissant.
Yeah. Chicken sandwich or a ham and cheese sandwich?
Ham and
Chicken.
cheese.
Agreed.
Ham and cheese.
Has to be toasted.
Yeah.
Thick slices of bread.
Extra butter.
Yes, must be.
What else?
With the chili flakes.
Is this in focus? What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask questions to my crew.
Now when I was signing people in today at work.
And they will answer honestly. I need to stand where I can see everyone.
Honesty, but
Honesty from me.
Okay, I need to think of some questions.
Are we doing the questions?
Yeah, I need more answers because it's fun.
we're smiling for the camera.
No, I'm taking a video. Crumbed or battered?
Battered. Crumbed. Crumbed.
Really?
Crumbed.
I want to know what bear crumbed is. She was like, and she goes bear, and then said crumb. She's like, am I confused? Say Sade, man. Coke or Sunkissed? I had to make this quick video while I'm editing this vlog to say I'm so sorry for how loud my laugh is throughout this entire vlog and all the vlogs to come.
Bruh.
It's just a little bit loud, so shout out to my laugh, and I'm so sorry to your ears. Thanks for watching.
Coke.
Sunkissed.
Coke. I bought 2 of them.
Okay, garlic bread or pizza?
Oh wait, garlic bread. Nice. Pizza.
I feel like I would do garlic bread over pizza.
If it's a really good garlic bread,
A garlic pizza!
amazing.
Yes, they did.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, remember we got
Bruh.
That was cat. Fish and chips or KFC chips?
Fish and chips.
Depends if it's a good fish and chips. If it's a good fish and chips, then fish and chips.
If it was these fish and chips, then
Otherwise, KFC chips.
Okay. Yes, of course. Okay, background. Okay, background. Oh, all right then. Coleslaw or potato and gravy? Potato gravy.
Neither.
Gravy.
Coleslaw.
Macca's or KFC?
Macca's.
Oh.
Macca's? Oh yeah, Macca's.
This girl is very much in love with Macca's. Sunkissed or Fanta?
Fanta, actually.
I love how Caleb looks around to see what he's drinking.
Same thing.
No, they are not. They are not the same thing. River or beach?
Beach.
River.
Yeah, I feel like I'd say river too.
Lagoon.
I didn't say lagoon. I said river or beach. No, not a beach. A Friday night with Come Alive or a Friday night without Come Alive? You can tell who never partied in their life. Connect 4 or Monopoly?
Monopoly.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, but I like Connect 4. A summer night or a spring night?
Summer night.
Oh, it's a
Spring night. Spring night.
The spring night's pretty nice.
Oh yeah, this is spring.
Yes, Sade, it's spring, love. I love how she turns around. She's like, "Oh, this is spring."
Nice coffee pot.
Black or white?
Black.
white.
Not the judgmental one.
Gotta be precise.
Bro, straight up.
A lot of white stuff.
A barbecue for Christmas, or just a straight up buffet, like a Australian buffet type
Barbecue.
Christmas barbecue buffet. Not a buffet. A what?
Buffet, 'cause they have. What if it's a barbecue buffet? They're not barbecue.
Korean barbecue or just straight up Islander barbecue?
Korean barbecue. Islander barbecue.
Islander barbecue. R&B or hip hop?
R&B.
Ooh, hip hop.
Yeah, probably hip hop.
Yeah.
Can I get both?
No! You cannot, money!
Is this or that?
My peeps joining me for the evening.
We're not putting our feet in.
Oh.
We're just gonna stand here.
I watch you.
Oh, that's sad. Look at us.
We overlay.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, this is so great. Nice. Nice wet jeans. Quay phải lo move lang afay ang.
Hi everyone.
It's my day off today, and we are on the way to buy mum bread. Look, we're ready. Pop it in, sister. Oh, we only need one card.
No, just put in two. Just put in
Okay,
two.
that's 3. You are loved. As you can see, this is sent with a lot of love. Should we write the address first so it's not bumpy? Come for just lollies, they said. Yeah, whatever. Go sis, you can do it. Run in the red. This is the update. This is the current update here in the north side of Brisbane. This rain. It's absolutely beautiful. Sis.
Hello.
We need to put our shopping in, otherwise it's gonna... Oh my god. Got some snacks for family night. Got me drink. Look. What does it say here? Plant-based life. YOLO! Okay, now I'm recording this on my phone, and I'm just looking at the statistics of where our podcast for Nights of the Round Low Low has been downloaded. We've only released the trailer, but look, this is so crazy to me that there's someone from Europe, 4 from North America, and 1 from Africa. Like, what? Behind the scenes. Brother! Hello? Okay, are we ready now? Let's record. This is our nice little desk. This is a baringer.
That's how small it is. Watch this.
No, that's how big your hand is. It's just got 4 inputs. This is our headphone jack. We had to get a... What do we call this thing also?
Testing 1. A splitter.
A splitter.
Can you fix your collar?
No.
No, don't be like Dad.
I am my dad. So get lost. No, get lost. And pop it on the vlog. Hey, move your hair. That footage is going on.
That's what you get.
It's so annoying. Thanks for watching the vlog, everyone. Subscribe to my channel. And have a fantastic week. Yeah, look, I'm just gonna face it to you so you can say goodbye. Say goodbye now.
Goodbye.
Tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. For watching my beautiful video.
Bye, Hosanna.
Bye.